Hey guys, welcome to Yoga with Shruti. I'm Shruti, and today we're going to learn Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing, which is a yogic pranayama technique used to bring balance to our energy bodies and calmness to our mind. In the yogic system, nadis are considered to be energy channels flowing all throughout our body. Ida, which is considered to be corresponding to the left side of the body and the right side of the brain, and Pingala, which is considered to correspond to the right side of the body and left side of the brain. Ida is the more calm and passive energy, while Pingala is the more active and solar side of the energy. So with the use of Nadi Shodhana, we aim to not only cleanse these two nadis, but also balance them and activate the corresponding sides of the brain and bring calmness to our mind. We can actually find out which energy body is currently more active in our body. So to do that, you can place your right hand, or left hand for that matter, right under your nostrils and take normal breaths. Whichever nostril you feel the breath coming out of the most is the side of the energy body that is currently the most active. So you may find that your breathing is actually alternating between your nostrils throughout your day automatically, or depending on what activity that you're doing. So with that, let's begin our practice of Nadi Shodhana. So you may find yourself in any seated comfortable position in Sukhasana, which is the asana that I'm in right now, or you may choose to take Vajrasana. We'll start by placing our left hand on our left knee, and with our right hand, we'll place the thumb on the right side of the nose. Your index and middle finger will touch the third eye center. Your ring finger will be on the left side of the nostril, and we'll let the pinky finger fall in place. So it will look something like this. To begin our practice, we'll exhale all the air out first. And when we're ready to inhale, we'll start with the left side, with the left nostril, and press the right thumb against the right nostril to close the right nostril. And we'll inhale for the count of 4. And then when we're ready to exhale, we'll use the ring finger to press against the left side of the nostril and exhale out of the right side of the nostril. So let's give that a try. So exhale all the air out of the body first. And when you're ready to begin your inhale, press your right thumb against the right nostril and inhale through the left nostril for the count of 4. At this point, when you're ready to exhale, press the ring finger into the left nostril, release the right thumb from the right nostril, and exhale for the count of 4 through the right nostril. And we'll do this again. While holding down your left nostril, inhale through the right nostril for the count of 4, and blocking the right nostril and releasing the left nostril, exhale out from the left nostril for another count of 4. And this completes 1 round. So to summarize, we're starting with the left nostril. We're blocking the right nostril with our right thumb completely. And we're inhaling for the count of 4 through the left nostril, exhaling for the count of 4 through the right nostril. Then inhale for the count of 4 through the right nostril, and exhale for the count of 4 out through the left nostril. And that's 1 round. Let's go ahead and practice this for 8 rounds.
Begin by exhaling all the air out. Then when you're ready, close the right nostril and inhale through the left for the count of 4. Then close the left nostril and exhale out through the right. Inhale through the right. Closing the right nostril, exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Closing the left nostril, exhale through the right. Inhale to the right. Closing the right nostril, exhale to the left. Inhale through the left. Closing the left nostril, exhale out through the right. Inhale through the right. Closing the right nostril, exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Closing the left nostril, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Exhale out to the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale out on the left. Inhale on the left. Exhale out through the right. Inhale on the right. Exhale on the left. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. And exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale up the left. And find yourself back in Sukhasana once done.
You may practice this for 5 minutes every morning right after you wake up and just see how you feel. Or you may incorporate this into your yoga practice right after your asana practice. I really hope you found that helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.